Hello, welcome to Just Play It. It's finally here. Today we are going to be learning the keyboard. Just give me 3 months. 3 months, you'll be playing the keyboard like a pro. Oh yes, you will tell your church keyboardist, "Oh, I want to play. I want to play." Follow me on this journey. Subscribe to this channel and let's go. All right, just like I explained, Just Play It is a video tutorial section where you will be learning the keyboard without protocol. I will be skipping every protocol. Most people ask me, Norbliss, why is it that most videos I watch online, I don't understand? It's very complicated. I find it difficult to follow up. I said, okay, let me do a video tutorial without protocols. Now, I'll be skipping the protocols. I'll be simplifying everything about keyboard itself, starting from anything you need to know about keyboard. Just like I told us earlier, we are going to be simplifying it using the layman's language. The layman's language in the sense that I won't be using the professional terms. Okay? So we'll be doing it the layman's language. Are we together? Ow. Most keyboardists will skim me for this, but we don't care. Well, that being said, professionals, stay off this video. It's not for you. Thank you. Don't mention. Allow us the upcoming to do our thing. Now, when you take a look at this keyboard, you will see that there are some functions up and there are keys down. So what we'll be focusing on today are these keys down. If you take a look at the keys, you will see that it is splitted into two. We have the white notes and the black notes. The black notes, the white notes. Okay? Now, take a look at the black notes carefully. You see that they are divided. They are separated. We have the three. 1, 2, 3. Separately. 1, 2. Separately. 1, 2, 3. Separately. 1, 2. Separately. It's not the same mother that gave birth to them. Now, we have 12 keys in music. Now, those 12 keys, they have from key A to key G. What did I say? From key A to key G. Someone will ask, from key A to key G is 7 keys. How come there are 12 keys? Yes, in between those keys from A to G, we have what we call flats and sharps. Okay, are we together? So that will be what we'll be treating in our next class. We'll be treating on the keys. And that is why you need to what? Subscribe to this channel. If you have not subscribed, do that now. Do that what? Now. Let's go. Now we are going to be treating on key C today. We are going to be treating on what? Key C. What is key C? Key C is a white note before 2 black notes. Aye! Sense want to finish me. Sense want to finish me. Well, that is my own definition. Yeah. I told you I'll make it very simple and simplified for you. Key C is a white note before 2 black notes. So, check the keyboard as a smart, sharp keyboardist that you are. Tell me where key C is. Wow, right. That is it. Now, key C is a white note before what? 2 black notes. These are 2 black notes. 1, 2. They are together. If you check the notes, you see that 1, 2. Then they have 2 white notes that separates it from 1, 2, 3. You have another 2 white notes. 1, 2, 3. So key C is the first white note before 2 black notes. That's key C. All right. How many of you go to church? Fine. Now, how many of you have choir in your church? Good. We have what we call solfa notation. Solfa notation. Those are the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So we are going to be using it in our keyboard section. Are we together? Good. Let's go. So this is it. Woo! Are you there? Now, from key C, what determines every key is that solfa notation. Now, that first solfa, which is do, is what determines your key on every key. That first note, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Can we go again? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Good. Now, if you have done that, we've commenced. This is your take-home assignment. I told you, just follow me on this journey. Within 3 months, you will be playing the keyboard professionally. Bet me, just bet me now. Within 3 months, you'll be playing professionally in your church. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Invite your friends, share, comment, and like. If you have any questions, drop it on this comment section. Now, what is your assignment? Your assignment today will be label the solfa notations on key C. Get your keyboard, label the solfa notations. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Now, how do you label it? Get a sellotape that you can write on. Write the solfa notations. Tear it out. Do, you put it on do. Re, you put it on re. Mi, you put it on mi. Fa, you put it on fa. So, you put it on so. La, you put it on la. Ti, you put it on ti. Do, you put it on do. Are we together? Now, do that. We'll meet in our next class. Don't forget to invite your friends. Shalom. Just play it.